Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to cancel a meeting with the notes in Google Calendar web application. So the first thing that you will need to do is to open your internet browser or your browser, and then you will search for Google. And if you're already using Google Chrome, you will find your profile picture here, and then you can go to your Google account, or you can search like here the Google account, and you can search for your apps and you will find the calendar. Otherwise, if you are using other browsers, you can just go for Google and search for Google, either the Gmail or any Google app, and by that you will find here your Google account. After you connect to it, of course, you will need to connect to your Google account so you can access to the Google Calendar. You click on the Google Apps, this icon, and then click on Calendar, and now you have the access of Google Calendar. And now all you remains is to follow these simple steps. So the first step is to create an event or go to the meeting that you want to cancel. And basically I don't have any events or meetings here, so I'm going to create one. So I'm going to click here, create an event, and add a meeting, add guests. For example, let's add any guests, and I'm going to create and click save. I won't send any invitation. And basically to cancel the events, all you need to do is to delete it from your calendar, and I'm going to click on delete, and by that it will give you a pop-up window if you want to send a cancellation email or message. And basically this is the notes that you can send to cancel the meeting. So basically, sorry for canceling, for example, and I'm going to click on send, and the email will be cancelled, and the meeting or the message or notes will be sent also to the guests of this meeting. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.